ways to earn money through Facebook. All right, that's a good. Woo! We're very excited about that, and we all like money. We all want to have money at the same time. So we're also doing this so that we can earn money and proceed with our purpose and passion. And so, yes, it is very super duper possible for you to earn money through Facebook. Okay, so you're not just doing this for no reason at all. There's like money involved as well. Okay, now before we proceed to that, just going to give you the qualifications that we all need to go through as of this recording. There are three major things for you to be eligible for monetization for Facebook in terms of ad revenue. All right, the first thing is you need to have 30,000 minutes of watch time within 60 days. 30,000 1-minute views within 60 days. Let me explain. So let's say, for example, you have watched a video, and then you can see over there like there's like 1 million views or 200,000 views or 1,000 views. What you can see on your Facebook page is the number of people who watched your video after 3 seconds. So if you watch the video for 4 seconds, that's going to be counted as 1 view. Get it? So what that also means is not when you have, let's say, 100,000 views, it doesn't mean that all 100,000 people finished your video. No. What that means is there are 100,000 people who watched your video after 3 seconds, that more than 3 seconds. Get it? Okay. So one of the qualifications that you need to have is, first, you need to have 30,000 watch minutes, 1-minute views. Get it? So there should be 30,000 people who watched your video, any of your videos in your page within 60 days for more than a minute. When that is good, then you have checked one of the qualifications. Number 2 is you need to have 10,000 likes on your page. You need to have 10,000 likes on your page. Okay, so that's easy to understand. And number 3 is your video, in order for it to get monetized, you need to have at least 3 minutes on your videos. Okay, when you produce a content in video form, then you need to have 3 minutes in order for you to get paid or to be eligible for ad revenue. So those are the qualifications that we need to understand first before we even proceed on ways that you can earn money using the power of Facebook. Let's talk about ad revenue. When we talk about ad revenue, that means like it's advertisements or revenue that you get as a content creator on Facebook. Now, if you don't understand how this works, I'm going to explain it to you in a very simple way. So there are 4 parties involved in this, how do you call this? Like, how do you earn through ads, okay? The first one is the content creator. That is you, that is me. We produce content for Facebook, okay? I'm talking about video, all right? The second one is the audience. I mean, when we produce content through Facebook, the main reason why is we also want our audience, or we want the audience to watch our own content. Number 3 is Facebook itself. And number 4 are the advertisers, okay? So the business model looks like this. If this is the advertiser, they want their brands or their products or their services to be exposed to the public. It's like their marketing effort for us to know their product. That's the advertisers. What they're going to do is to connect with Facebook, okay, this is Facebook, so that they would want to access Facebook and they want to pay Facebook for them to get advertised. So what Facebook will do is to put the advertisements of the advertisers in our videos. All right, just like me, this is why when you see some videos and there's going to be like an ad starts in 10 seconds. Just going to show you some example over here, because that's where Facebook puts the video or puts the advertisement in our content for the audience to see. Get it? So that's like the flow. Advertisers pays Facebook. Facebook puts the ads on our content. When we produce the content, there's the ad, this is the audience. The audience will see it, and then when they see it, Facebook will pay us because they already been paid by the advertisers. The second way for you to earn money through Facebook is what we call affiliate marketing. So this is one of the best ways for you to earn money through Facebook, especially if you don't have a product yet or if you don't have a service yet. What you can do is use your influence to share a product that's not even yours, it's coming from a different person, and then you're going to get a commission every time there's a deal that's, you know, closed. Okay, so there are two ways that you can do this. Number one is like the online affiliate marketing. What that means is, let's say for example, you are the content creator and you know someone who's doing like an online shop, they're selling bags or they're selling something. And remember, again, going back to the principle, legacy is greater than currency. So you have to understand that what you're promoting should be aligned with the brand. All right. So if your brand is about fitness and you're going to share, like you're going to sell products that are not related to fitness, it doesn't make sense. Okay. But if your brand is about fitness, then you're selling like gym equipment that's not even yours, but it's aligned with your brand, then it makes sense. You can partner up with that owner or with that establishment and ask for a link, and then every time you recommend something and then it closes, there's like the person buys from that person through your link, you get a commission. Okay, so you are using your influence to the market for you to earn money. But again, the most important thing is it has to align with your brand. Okay, that's the first way of doing it in terms of affiliate marketing online. The second way is for you to recommend a person. So the good thing about recommend a product, recommend a person, or recommend a service. The good thing about social media or Facebook, when the time comes that you're going to have an influence that you have created for yourself, what's going to happen is people are going to believe in you. Okay, people are going to believe in you, and you shouldn't take it for granted. That means they are putting their trust in you. So you have to take that seriously. So every time you recommend a person, let's say, for me in our case, when someone, since we're talking about finance, and someone wants to ask if we know a person who's connected to any insurance company or a financial firm or something like that, in order for them to invest their money over there, we have to make sure that the person that we're recommending to is legit, is serious, and is aligned with our values and our purpose. Okay, so that's like affiliate marketing, old school, but it still works. The third way that you can earn money through Facebook is that guest vlogging. Okay, this is one of my favorites really, and it has been effective for some people as well. So here's the concept of how it works. Since the present, as of the moment, we have our audience because of the things that we have been doing in the past. As it accumulated, people started to like the page of the present, and they also follow, and we can even see the engagement of some people by their comments, through their message, through the likes, through the shares. So what usually happens is people who want to get exposure, they would want to guest vlog. What that means is they want to be part of the segment. Again, it really depends on your brand, because that's the brand of the present, and this is one way for us to generate revenue. Number 4 is speaking engagement. Okay, so what usually happens is when you build your brand on Facebook, and then people are going to see your face, you know, through the videos, or they are curious about who's the person behind the vlogs, or they wanna access the person who's doing the videos, you know, the vlogs. So what's gonna happen is they would want to invite you for your presence, or for an interview, or for your time to speak in front of a lot of people. That happens to me a lot nowadays, especially when we talk about business, finance, and life. So when they see the content online, what's gonna happen is, hey, I like what he said, and I have an organization, and I also want them to be influenced. I'm going to invite this speaker to be on to share like a specific talk. Okay, so speaking engagement is a fun way of doing it. It is one of the things that I really like to do as well. It depends on you how much you want to charge. Maybe in the beginning, you're going to say, okay, since this is my first time, I'm not going to charge you anything. Okay, fine, that's your choice. But the point is, you can earn money, you can charge it, because they are technically buying your time, they're accessing your time and your expertise through a speaking engagement, okay? And so when people invite me to do speaking engagement, I charge them for that, because I'm going to exert time and effort for me to be there and give value to the audience as well. Number 5, the 5th way to earn money through Facebook is consulting. So this is amazing. When we say consulting, because of your expertise on your subject matter, let's say you're an expert in singing, because you have been singing and you have been recording yourself video-wise, and then you're sharing it online, you're posting it online, and someone sees it, people may want to hire you to consult them about their singing. Now, what if it's not about singing, it's about business? Because of your ideas that you're putting out, you're giving value to them online, and so they see it and they would want to, hey, I like what he's talking about, maybe he does consultancy. So what you can do is you can offer your services, you can offer your expertise as a consulting fee. Number 6 is sponsorships. So when we say sponsorships, let's say for example, your brand is about business, and then what's gonna happen is some people will say, hey, can you put this product while you are shooting this video, while you are shooting the video, just for them to get exposure, okay? Because of your audience, they're going to see it. It's like a product placement, so it's like sponsorships. A lot of people are doing this, especially like beauty experts or in the beauty space. What's gonna happen is that cosmetic companies or like beauty companies are going to give you products for free, and then all you have to do is use the product and they say, hey, I use this, blah, blah, blah. So it's like sponsorships is one of the ways that you can do it. It's just that you have to understand your brand first. For me, there was a person who approached me, and she wants me to say, hey, this milk tea is really good, and that's it. And I didn't approve it, because it's not aligned with the brand. I am not going to say this milk tea is really good, because it doesn't make sense to me, even if she's going to pay me, but it's not aligned with the brand, because the brand is about sharing business, finance, and life-related content. But if it's like a celebrity that's going to, or if there's like a person talking about or sharing about makeup, and then someone's going to give her makeup and then just mention the makeup company, then it makes sense because it's aligned with the brand, right? So it's about sponsorships, one of the ways that you can earn money through Facebook. The seventh part and the last one is merchandise, and we have tried this. So when we say merchandise, is you create a product based on your brand, and then you're just going to sell it in the marketplace, okay? So what we did was, one of the videos that went viral, it reached, as of this recording, it reached 4.5 million views. And that video, it was about bayari imong utang oy. Okay, bayari imong utang. And in English, that means pay your dues or pay your debts. Because here in the Philippines, for some reason, utang or debt is something that people do. So they can really relate to that topic. And so since that video went viral, we had a crazy idea. And that idea was, what if we create a shirt that says bayari mo utang oy here in front, and then the logo at the back? That's the concept. And so we just tried it out. We pre-sell for a week, and then there were orders coming from different places, like different places in the Philippines. And so what happened was, we had it prepared by the shirt company, which is owned by my friend, and then we delivered it to them. See, so because of the brand, the influence, and the video went viral, a lot of people bought the shirt, and then we just sold it and delivered it to them. So that's one of the ways that you can earn money through Facebook, right?